Hey guys, Kilby Browne from the Property House New York City team. Just want to come on and talk about the fact that we are now COVID certified. So guys, you may ask, what is COVID certified, Kilby? Well, we're excited to announce that Maris Edge and I just earned our COVID-19 certification this week. This certification helps us better prepare our clients with the latest market trends analysis, health and safety procedures, and has prepared us for all the changes to the real estate processes that we're now experiencing during this pandemic. So if you have any questions about the real estate market or just simply want to share your thoughts on what's going on, don't hesitate to reach out. We're excited to assist you in any way that we can. It's a new day, guys. We're here to help. Thank you for watching our show. Please like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy our YouTube channel and have a fantastic day. All the best. Bye-bye.